spent $300 on a box of mystery things and I have no idea what's inside. Let's go ahead and open and find out. Hello everybody. Hi, my name is Jemma if you didn't already know, and if you didn't know, hi, my name is Jemma and welcome the frick back today. Yes, it is true. I spent $300 on a lucky box and I have no idea what I got. Well, that's not entirely true. I do know the kind of items I will be getting, but I don't know exactly what those kinds of items are. Let me explain. So what I purchased is called a Fukubukuro, or a lucky bag, from Angelic Pretty Japan. Fukubukuro is a Japanese tradition that they do it around New Year's time. A lot of shops will use this opportunity to get rid of their unused stock, and so they'll put a bunch of mystery items in a bag, and the price of the bag is supposed to be a lot less than what the items inside are worth. Some brands make items specifically for their lucky bags. Sometimes it's completely random, selected from their stock, and sometimes you already know what's inside the bag, but it's still exciting because usually you're getting a really good deal. For those of you that are new here, hi, my name is Jemma May. I am a Lolita fashion and kawaii lifestyle content creator. Lolita fashion is an alternative fashion style from Harajuku, Japan that is inspired by Rococo and Victorian era clothing. And my all-time favorite Lolita fashion brand is Angelic Pretty. I thought it was worth my money to go ahead and get one of these lucky bags, buy a $300 box full of mystery items from their store. It's just so fun to have a little surprise, you know, and also get a good deal while you're at it. Now, it wasn't entirely a mystery. The items included in the lucky pack are one mystery one piece or jumper skirt. The second item is a mystery one piece jumper skirt or skirt. The third item is a hair accessory. The fourth item are some over the knee socks. Now, all of these items for $300 is actually a really good deal, considering that one Angelic Pretty dress usually retails for about $300. So you're basically getting two dresses for the price of one, and also a headpiece and also some socks. I thought it was a really good deal. I love everything that AP does, so I thought it was bound to be very likely for me to enjoy the things that are sent to me in a mystery box. Honestly, like, I don't think I can wait anymore. So why don't we go ahead and dig into the box? Let's go. Oh my goodness, okay. It's in a very big Angelic Pretty bag. I spent $300 on this bag of stuff, and I have no idea what I spent my money on. Why don't we go ahead and give her an open? I'm like kind of scared, I'm kind of nervous. What if I hate everything inside? Oh no, I don't know what I'd do. Okay. I don't know what I'm looking at yet. I don't know if it's that good. Oh no, wait. So the part of lucky bags is, you know, maybe trying a new style that you wouldn't like necessarily go out and buy for yourself, right? Okay, trying to spin it on a positive here. You guys look for me. I can't look. What did I spend my money on just now? I don't know. Let's start with the small thing. A head bow. This is perfectly fine. This is a cute head bow. This head bow is really cute, actually, with some bow lace and some lace around the edges, and there's like a little gold heart detail right here that says AP on it. This will just go with so many dresses, and it's so simple. It's such a perfect light pink color, so this is an absolute win. Super cute, simple head bow that goes with literally everything. I am not mad about this head bow. This head bow is a thumbs up for me. Okay, so here are the socks that I got. I'm just trying to figure out what this fabric is. Have I seen these socks before? What is this? It feels like a sponge. One of those like little scrubby things that you get to scrub your dishes. It's kind of like that. Okay. They are these socks that have this like sort of transparent thing to it, and it has light pink hearts everywhere, which is cute because I know that this will go with a lot of stuff. The material is just kind of funky, so this one's like a maybe. I just have to try them on and see how I feel. It's a maybe. I don't know yet. I don't know. Oh, okay. So it's pink. I like pink. Can never go wrong with pink. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Alright, so here is the first JSK. This is Spooky Night Doll JSK that was released in 2021. It was their Halloween dress, or at least one of them. It's pink and it's got this black lace and this black bow with these stars, this bow in the center, which you can take off. It's got this sort of like curly Q design at the bottom, and then it also has this sort of black lace trim. The JSK is partially shirred, and then you got these waist ties, and it has these cute little bat wing waist tie, and yeah, that is dress number 1. Yeah, not really my style, but it's not my style as well. I'm excited to see what I come up with for that. Okay, the next dress. Oh no. Dun, 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 dun. It's red. It's like this deep burgundy red. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, wait, this is kind of cute. Oh my goodness, can you even see that? I'm gonna have to like bring the brightness up to like 100 max brightness. So here is the next and final thing in here, I think. Let me double check. Yep, that is the last thing in here. So this is the Actress Lace OP that was released in 2021. This is the wine/Bordeaux colorway. It's actually really cute. Like, it's a little bit outside of my style, but I really do love wearing red. It's an OP, so it's got these long sleeves. It's got this sort of lace thing at the collar, and it's got this sweetheart neckline here at the bust with another bow. And then we've got these buttons going down. There's like velvet ribbons around on the dress. It has this black velvet belt that goes all the way around. The overall print is like this sort of lacy print, and the print is on there with like velveteen. The end of the dress just has this black polka dot lace. It is an OP, so a lot of OPs don't have shirring or anything. And then here is the dress from the back. It's actually really cute. I'm a lot happier with this one. This one just feels so much more quality than this one. This one is like, let me plop this down. This one just feels like a lot thinner. Yeah, both of these dresses have like this kind of like gothic like element to it with like the black trim and everything. This will definitely get me out of my comfort zone to get me trying different styles. This is what I got. Wahoo! Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and try on the dresses and make coordinates with them and see what kind of coordinate I can come up with. So let's get to trying on. Okay, so I have the first JSK on, and I have a lot of things to say. Not only do I have the JSK on, but I also have the headbow that was included in the Lucky Pack, as well as the socks. Let's start with the headbow. Headbow is so cute, it's comfortable, it goes with lots of things in my wardrobe. This is a 10 out of 10. The socks are like staying up on my legs, they're not falling down. They're kind of sparkly, and the light pink color just goes with everything in my wardrobe. I actually really like the socks. Now, this is the coordinate that I came up with for this JSK. I paired it with this black Angelic Pretty turtleneck. I'm also wearing my simple black bow bodyline flats, and I also have my Milk Cat jewelry on from AP and just like a couple of bracelets. I actually feel like this dress is quite a versatile dress. I kind of leaned into like the pink and black theme. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to be selling it or if I'm going to be keeping it. Technically, I should be downsizing because I'm not going to have a lot of space to keep my stuff pretty soon. If I do sell it, it will be on my Lace Market or my Depop. Link will be down in the description if you are curious. So I have the second dress on from my Angelic Pretty Lucky Bag, and I have some things to say. This is a one piece, and it fits just like the average Angelic Pretty one piece does. And they're usually quite small, just like any OP that I have from Angelic Pretty. It's always just kind of funky in the shoulders. My shoulders are broad gaijin shoulders, okay? I can't help it. If I want to reach something very tall on a shelf, I probably couldn't stretch my arm high enough to get it. So don't wear wear this while going grocery shopping, okay? You'll regret it. But other than like not having full mobility with my arms, it fits just fine. I think this dress is actually really pretty. I'm very partial to red colorways. Now, even though that this dress is red, it is still kind of outside of my comfort zone. It's definitely not like the super sugary sweet sort of substyle that I'm used to wearing, but I do think it's actually really pretty. I really love the velveteen print on it. I coordinated this dress very simply with just some black striped tights and this black beret. I also have my Angelic Pretty necklace and just some random rings and my burgundy cotton candy feet shoes. I think this outfit turned out really cute. I'm not quite sure whether or not I'm gonna keep these dresses, but what I do know is that I really like my coordinates that I made. Regardless if I keep them or not, I think it was definitely worth the money just for the experience of getting an Angelic Pretty Lucky Bag and being surprised by what's inside. It's the journey, guys, not the destination. Overall, I think I'm pretty pleased with this lucky bag. It's not my normal style, but I am excited to push myself out of my comfort zone and try new styles. I've been doing that a lot on my YouTube channel recently. If you couldn't tell already, I've been doing a lot of different Lolita sub-style transformations. So if you haven't seen those already, definitely go check them out. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed and hit that notification bell so that you can actually be notified when I upload. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this lucky bag. If you think this was an entire waste of my money and time, let me know that as well. But yeah, I hope that you have a wonderful day and I hope that you keep on smiling and I will see you in my next video. Bye!